What steps can I take to recover my old MySpace account?
Hello there. Ever miss the good old days of the internet and find yourself wanting to access your old MySpace account? Well, you've come to the right place. This video will guide you through the steps on how to recover your old MySpace account. Let's dive in.
Do you still have access to your registered email?
The first step to recover your MySpace account is verifying if you still have access to the email account that you used to register with MySpace. It's essential because MySpace will send you an email with the instructions for account recovery. If you still have access to your registered email, great. Proceed to the next section. If you don't have access, try to recover that email first. Reach out to your email service provider for their account recovery process.
Requesting a password reset from MySpace.
Once you're sure that you have access to your registered email, it's time to start the MySpace account recovery process. Go to the MySpace homepage and click on the Login button. Once you're on the login page, click on Forgot Password. You'll be prompted to enter the email address you used to register your account. Enter it and click Submit. Remember, MySpace will send a password reset link to your email.
Setting up a new password.
Once you've requested a password reset, head back to your email inbox. Look for an email from MySpace containing a password reset link. Click on the link, and you'll be directed to a page where you can set a new password. After setting up a new password, you will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email and the new password to access your old MySpace account.
What if I don't receive the password reset email?
If you don't receive the password reset email from MySpace, there are a few things you can do. Check your spam folder. Sometimes, emails from MySpace might end up there. Request a new password reset email. Go back to the Forgot Password option on the MySpace login page and request another reset email. If you're still not receiving the email, it's possible that you might have registered with a different email address. Try to recall if you used a different email to sign up. And that's how you can recover your old MySpace account. We hope this guide was helpful to you. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your account information updated and to regularly change your passwords for optimal security. Thanks for watching, and enjoy revisiting your MySpace memories.